Rob, AstraZeneca has battered away Pfizer's latest offer for their business. They began with a £38 share price. The offer was 50 quid, including a cash element. So my first question here is, how much more cash can Pfizer stump up to get Astra to agree?
Well, there's a hard limit because AstraZeneca shareholders have to end up owning 20% of the combined company in order for Pfizer to be able to pick up stakes and move its home office to England and reap all the tax benefits. So that means at about this £50 level, they have to pay about half of it in shares to make sure that ownership ratio is met. And it escapes me why Pfizer didn't just get on with it and admit they're going to maximize the cash portion of this bid, because they have to. Given all the uncertainties in the deal, I'm an AstraZeneca shareholder, I want as much cash as I can get, and I'm in a position to ask for it.
All right, okay, let's negotiate. Right, we have 50 quid a share. Let's reverse engineer that share price. Tell me about cost savings, right, and tell me what tax savings I can get.
Well, so we started at, the market was saying 38 before the noise started, right? And now we're at 50. And the difference you can make up, or indeed more than make up, just with the tax savings and the cost savings. So between what you're going to take out of R&D, what you're going to take out of overhead costs, and just changing Pfizer's tax rate from 27 to 20%, you get to maybe 52, 53 quid a share for AstraZeneca if AstraZeneca settles for only getting half of the savings. In other words, how are we going to split the pie of value that this deal is going to make?
Right, okay, the issue is it's quite hard to value the benefits of Pfizer of becoming a UK company forever, right, with the tax regime that goes with it. Right. So why should Astra settle for half here?
Yeah, they are in a good position, right? Because there are relatively few assets that are the right size and located in the right place that will let Pfizer to jump over here. So Pfizer stomps its foot on one side of the negotiating table. AstraZeneca says, here's a phone, call GSK. Maybe they're willing to listen to you. The number of possible targets is small, so AstraZeneca probably is in a good position to say, our shareholders are going to get more than half of the benefits of this merger, which is why they feel they can reject a 50 quid offer out of hand.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I have to see how this drug deal proceeds. Thank you, Rob.
Sure.